This is Central World. Central World is a shopping plaza and complex in Siam area of Bangkok, Thailand. It is the 9th largest shopping center in the world. The complex, which includes a hotel and office tower, is owned by Central Patana. In 2006, after 3 years of design and renovation, Central World was expanded to 550,000 square meters of shopping mall and 830,000 square meters of remaining complex, topping nearby rival Siam Paragon in terms of size. The mall opened in 1989 as the World Trade Center Central Group, acquired the property in 2002 from the Wang Pichabun Group, and changed the name to Central World Plaza. In 2007, it was renamed Central World. It is on leased Crown Property Bureau land. In its acquisition, the Central Group's property development arm, Central Patana or CPN, secured a new 30-year lease on the site. Anticipating the opening of luxury Siam Paragon, CPN started massive renovation and expansion on the site in 2002. The original mall structure was 300,000 square meters, and the expansion plans boasted to 430,000 square meters. Though work was not yet complete, CPN held an official opening of the renovated complex on July 21, 2006. Central World was temporarily closed on May 19, 2010 due to the severe arson damage, which occurred as troops dislodged protesters from the area during the 2010 political protests. The adjoining Zen section suffered massive damage from rioters. The Isitan portion was reopened soon after. Following repairs, a large part of Central World was reopened on September 28 that year, with the Zen section reopening on January 6, 2012. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!